Welcome back everyone to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the tuning system that I have in this awesome 153 cubic inch engine built by George over at All American Cycle. All right, just a quick recap. This motorcycle here used to be a 2023.5 CVO in that platinum gray color. Now it is painted like this from the one and only Jace at the Fast Life Garage. The wheels, tire, suspension, and all that jazz is done by my friend John, the owner here of Giant B Cycle Works in the Houston area. And the last shop I went to was All American Cycle, where they built me, excuse me, I'm kind of getting excited here, is All American Cycle, where they built me this 153 cubic inch engine, front to rear. They did the entire thing, powertrain. And this engine is pushing 200 horsepower to the wheel, 200.67, I believe to be exact, and 187 foot-pounds weight. 178 foot-pounds of torque. I had to correct myself there. So with all that said and all that power, the system, the tuning system that's running this system here is Thundermax. Thundermax, let me give you some facts. Thundermax is made in the United States. I want to say everything's made in their facility in Tennessee. I've never been there, but I hope to be there one day and give you guys a personal tour of their facility. American made. Every single system that is shipped out to you, to me, to the dealers that they have in Sturgis or wherever they're going to be is tested. Every single one is tested before you get it. If something's wrong with it, they either chuck it, fix it, correct it. But I'll tell you that we don't have to worry about that, because when you get a Thundermax tuner, it's going to be perfect. It comes with wideband O2 sensors. And probably the most important part, or one of the most important parts for me that I'm going to mention, is their customer service. You call them, they answer, or they'll call you back. There's a lot more details and specs that goes into Thundermax. I just don't know them, so I'm gonna reference you to their website or give them a call. But those are the highlights I'm gonna start off with, right off the bat. Now back to the tuning system. What tuner do we have in here? Well, as I mentioned, we have Thundermax. Why did I go with Thundermax? Well, I have history with Thundermax as a customer. My 2022 turbo bagger that was built bottom up from Trash Performance is running and has been running a Thundermax tuner the entire time. And I've never had one issue with that engine or that system. No hiccup, no nothing. Now, again, my throat is getting dry here and I smell barbecue. At the end of this video, I'm gonna plug in some videos of this angle here, and I'm just on it, guys. I'm on it and I'm just, and I'm going. And I wanted to show you that because, well, how do I explain this? I like to go at certain speeds. That's just me. I love it. I love it. I can't get enough of it. But here's the deal. I wasn't going fast just to go fast. I was trying to listen to the engine and the throttle and feel the throttle and just connect just truly with this motorcycle, because you have to connect with your machine, right? Then you just become one. And I love that part of learning your motorcycle. Now, when I cracked the wheel, when I cracked the throttle, I should say, and I lean forward, you're gonna hear the engine. It's gonna go, just insane. And then I shift, because those were fifth gear pulls for the most part. And then I shift to sixth gear, and it was like, boom, like just smooth and perfect, crisp. And there was no hiccup, which is what I was listening for. I was trying to listen for a hiccup. Like, you know, when you're on it, if there was a sputter, like pop, 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 or anything, there was nothing. It was just pure, raw power. Just, whomp. And I credit that to two things. I credit that to the tuner. In my case, is George from All American Cycle. Master tuner, in my opinion, and other people's opinions. And the tuning system. Both of those things have to be good. I don't know who that is, but I just said hi. Both of those things have to be good, you know? So, but I'm gonna talk about the tuning system itself, because I think that's important for you as a consumer, as myself, to pick. There's other tuning systems out there, and there's whatever you want to pick. I mean, it's a consumer world, right? If you wanted something, you get it. It's that simple. The purpose of me telling you about Thundermax is to tell you my experience, so that way you can see if you like it or not. What I like is their auto tuning feature. Now, I know other systems out there have auto tuning features as well, but there's differences in auto tuning systems because there's different softwares and programs that they use to kind of level out their auto tuning system. If I'm incorrect, please let me know in the comments. But the auto tuning system from Thundermax, I think is very superior, or is very hard to beat in my opinion. Because on the turbo, I'm taking it to high elevations, the sea level elevations that I'm here in Houston. Same thing over in Miami. I'm taking it to well, to Daytona, North Colorado, Wyoming. This is a turbo, pushing probably around 200 horsepower as well. And I haven't had any issues. I've never had my engine blown or anything, and ask people around, but I get on that motorcycle, just like I'm about to get on this motorcycle again. And I haven't had any issues. But today, when you see that video at the end of this video here, I want you to listen and go back and forth. There's not going to be no hiccups in between. You're not going to hear no sputtering. Nothing. It's just going to be just smooth, linear power all the way until the sun don't shine. You know, but is that the only way to test a tuning system? Is that the only way to test the reliability of the engine? Is that the only way to test the system in general? No, absolutely not. But that's what I'm going to share with you today, right? Now, the thing about the Thundermax Tuner is that, again, I really like that auto-tune feature, but it comes with the wideband O2 sensors, right? And I forgot if I mentioned that earlier or not. But what I like about that it's already in the Thundermax tuning system, motherboard, or whatever it's called. And you essentially plug them up, and it gives you more room for that auto-tuning system to work. Other systems, unless they've changed, you have to buy like the tuning system itself, and then like a module, and then the O2 sensors, and I think you have to make some adjustments on the thing. And it's just a little bit more involved, and I'm sure it works just fine, but I mean, I just like to get a tuner that has it all plugged in. I don't have to buy no other little accessories, less room for little cables to get loosened up, and just plug it in, right? That's my opinion. But anyhow, guys, again, thank you very much to Thundermax, all the people over at Thundermax for joining and helping me out with this build, because I am just super, super ecstatic that the tuning system in this motorcycle is a Thundermax tuner. So let me know in the comments if you guys rode with Thundermax or not, if you had it before or not. But I'll tell you what, I'm gonna end by telling you this, that whoever tunes your Thundermax tuning system has to be a good tuner, or at least be efficient in tuning the Thundermax system. And that's important for many parts. For one, you're gonna have a system that's gonna run perfectly clean and not too lean and not too rich the entire time. And again, did I forget to mention, this motorcycle here is on pump gas. Dude. And I think the dyno lied. I think it has more than 200 horsepower. And I think it has more than 178 foot-pounds of torque, because the road, the dyno meter that sits right here, compared to my other one, it tells me that. So stay tuned, because I'm gonna make a video that I'm gonna tell you. Well, I'm gonna make a couple of videos. One, I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna call this motorcycle. As you know, I've never had a name for a motorcycle, but this one I'm gonna have one, and it fits me. And I'm gonna tell you which one's faster. This motorcycle here, all engine, or my turbo bagger that I've had for several years that I haven't had any issues and I've ridden the crap out of. And I have an answer for you, and you might be surprised. So again, enjoy the footage at the end. I love y'all. Please be safe out there riding. And until the next video, y'all be good. We are outie. I'm gonna write this. Yeah.